wait. Okay. Hey guys, so what we are going to be doing is we are going to be telling you, like, as you may know, there's like a lot of people that really like Miss Goldie and everything, and they really do want to win it and everything. And I decided to do a Miss Goldie giveaway. So all you have to do is to win Miss Goldie. And also, sorry if you do not win, I will try. And so if I'm going to be making it fair, so I'm going to like have a wheel, like on the computer, and I'm going to and the person who will get it will basically get the Miss Goldie. But there are some few rules, so don't forget to check the rules out before you win. And if you do not want to be in it, you don't have to. I am not forcing you. This is just a reminder because a lot of people do want Miss Goldie, and they seriously do beg command Miss Goldie. But guys, like, don't beg because I'll just like block you because I really like don't like people begging me and everything like that. And like, yeah, so I'm just like trying to make it to the people who really want it and everything. Wait, let me just like shut my door. My door. Always. Yeah, and there's a shout out to Lil's, like, always basically my sissy for life, cause you know, girl, don't forget to add her. And also, I actually gave him 2 shout outs, but like, I think he deserves another shout out. Shout out to my boyfriend. Here's a shout out to my ex. Oh wait, what the heck? He's not my ex. Like, here's a shout out to my boyfriend. So yeah, because and also at Amber and my other bestie forever, XX Amber, XXL Moonlight, XXX the loser. I'm joking. Okay, I'm joking. Hola, I'm yours. Okay, what the fucking hell? Okay, so here are the rules if you wanna win Miss Goldie. Okay, sorry I'm a bit weird, I know, but like, do not mind it. Do not mind my little honey. Okay, here are the rules if you wanna win my Goldie. And it's okay, here are the rules, and there is actually no idea how many rules, but you shall see. First rule. What shall the first rule be? Oh yes. Let's see if you can guess it. Yes, the first rule you have to sub to me. And basically, as I don't know that like you subscribed to me, and like I don't know if that's you or if it's not, so in the comments down below in this video, say done all the rules, and then underneath put your user MSP, and yeah, so do that. That was the first rule. So the second rule is give me a auto. So the second rule is to give me a root auto. The third rule is to like my room, because why not? Plus, it doesn't do anything bad, like it's just liking my room, so hi, but she's just liking my room. So you know, these are really simple, even though Miss Goldie, but the fourth rule only if you want to, but you know, like if you really want to win it, but if you like really want to win it, then like, and if you like give me this, then you'll definitely get it. So this is full. Okay, so that rule was to give me a VIP code or a VIP ticket. So yeah, if you give me one of those, or two of those, you'll definitely get it, obviously. Cause I love you if you get me VIP, cause like, you know, and you'll definitely get a Miss Goldie and you'll get a shout out on this video. And the other videos if like, you know. but yeah, what the frick? But yeah, I said, but yeah. Okay, is it the fourth one? I think it's the fourth one. But I think. So the 5 is give me a rare and a great if possible. I'd rather take, I think, not just one, 200 to 300 greets XD. Or 6 XD. Cause like, I want my money, yo! I want my freaking money, yo! Okay, I'm joking. But yeah. So, yeah. That was all the rules. Hey, there's one more. Those are all the rules, babes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry if there is like noises in the like outside. My door neighbors are on the zone. And it's so annoying, like, stop, don't you know, like, and they even put it in the, like, night at, like, at 7 o'clock. Like, will you stop yelling? And they're Romanian, so, yeah. But, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you want more of those, like, giveaways or something like that. But, yeah. So, subscribe to me if you would like, but you have to subscribe to me if, like, you want to win the thing. So, like, that was one of the rules. You don't have to if you don't want to, but, like, comment down below if you like this video, I guess. I know it was kind of weird and everything like that. Sorry, my voice is ew. I'm joking, guys. That was actually not my voice. Like, this is not my voice. Like, hey, guys! God, okay, so this is my actual voice. Don't want that. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click the notifications so then whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it and it will give you a notification. Thank you so much for watching. See you, and yeah, I might record later or tomorrow. So, see you guys. I love you so much. Bye. Thank you so much if you watched the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did it. And this is her sister, Katie. So yeah.